Alex Derev here, Beacon Mergers and Acquisitions. Wanted to talk to you today about the plumbing mechanical business that we have for sale. It primarily provides industrial, commercial, and mechanical contracting services that include plumbing, welding, steam fitting, and equipment installations, mainly focusing on working in the Greater Toronto area. 60% of revenue of the business is related to services, and approximately 40% is related to equipment installations. The company has field staff with multiple trade licenses and relevant safety training, and has built a niche that primarily works in the food processing plants. Therefore, employees have and are familiar with GMP policies for the food safety and pharmaceutical industries. The company is affiliated with a union, which allows it to get access to various projects. At the same time, it keeps healthy profit margins. While the business was impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, the good news is that majority of the clients of the company are considered essential service and manufacturing businesses. Therefore, the impact hasn't been nearly as severe as a lot of other HVAC businesses felt the last few months. This opportunity is ideal for a mechanical contractor with union affiliations or related contracting business looking to strengthen its footprint in the plumbing and equipment installation industry.